Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will guide you how you can deploy a Python project on Netlify. So, in order to deploy your project on Netlify, here is the step-by-step guide. So, just you write these lines, and here you can see the screenshot attached. So, first of all, it is best for lightweight Python scripts. So, first of all, install Netlify CLI. Here you can see. After this, just create a netlify.tml file. You can create this file by using this command. Here you can see. Then add a Python functions. You can add a Python function by just simply create /functions /hello.py. After this, just deploy your project. You can deploy your project by using this. Here you can see. So this is the first method that you can use. The second method that you can also use, here you can see, just read it step by step, and you can use this step also in order to deploy your Python project on your Netlify. So this is the way how you can do it. Thank you for watching.